Shai was diagnosed with asthma about 2 years ago. It's scary because she's 4 now, but she still can't really explain, I can't breathe.
1 in 4 children in West Philadelphia have asthma. The Community Asthma Prevention Program is a long-standing program where community health workers are going into homes and they're really proving that they're actually keeping kids out of the hospitals by reducing the triggers of asthma. And so to that end, when we looked at CAPP+, we thought we could do much, much more by really going deep into the homes and looking at mold, looking at water intrusion.
We've seen things that are really out of our control that requires professional home repairs.
We see so many children coming for emergency department visits, hospital admissions for asthma. This kind of program gets us one step closer to making them healthier without ever bringing them to a doctor's office.
We do know that with CAPP alone, we see a reduction in hospitalizations from 40 to 50%, and we expect that to be even larger now that we're doing these major home repairs.
My initial reaction when I learned about the CAPP+ program, I was ecstatic. CARMEN is my asthma care coordinator. She told me that she can come out and do a home visit and look over the house to see what things can be done in the house to help manage her asthma. So when CARMEN told me that they would do a lot of the renovations for free to help Shai's asthma, I said, okay, that's great. Sign me up. I'm definitely for it.
Being a single mother with 3 children, she didn't have the finances to do the repairs herself. So we thought she was a great candidate for this project.
CAPP+ would not be a reality if it weren't for a partnership between Children's Hospital of Philadelphia and the City of Philadelphia. We bring the health expertise and they bring the housing and zoning and code expertise. So together, this makes a great partnership.
We sat down with Philadelphia Housing Development Corporation and the City Planning Department, and we had a discussion about housing and the social determinants of health. There's much more to health issues than meets the eye. Poverty can be a problem, poor housing can be a problem.
We thought this would be a good way for us to partner with CHOP and the Community Asthma Prevention Program. We repair low-income Philadelphian homes. We're really excited about the opportunity to work with CAPP+ and to help the children of Philadelphia.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Miguel Torres from PHDC.
Yes.
Here to do the inspection. Every house within this program will be different.
Partnering with PHDC is going to be amazing because they're able to go into the homes and address some of these triggers, mold, dust, pests. It's really going to make a huge difference for families.
I am the CEO and founder of Adkins Management, Inc. We are a minority certified company who has been doing business with PHDC for more than 18 years.
It was very important to us that we promote a program that promoted jobs in the community.
We see CAPP+ as an opportunity to address the inclusive economy, to put people to work.
There's a lot of minority-owned businesses and women-owned businesses that are in the Philadelphia area that are just looking for an opportunity to show what great jobs they can do.
We're doing something that's going to change the quality of life for children, which really excites me.
Kids are affected with asthma spend a lot more time out of school, which means they don't progress as much as their peers. It's going to give kids an environment to live in that gives them a fighting chance of having a wonderful life, having a better life than they have now.
Wow, that's amazing. When she has asthma flares, it is very scary. But to have a plus like this, a benefit of the program that will help you to make it less likely to have flares, is great. I feel like the air feels better. She has not had an asthma flare-up since she's been able to just do her regular preventative medicine without having to use her rescue inhaler.
We're investing dollars in CAPP+ because we have the evidence that this will work and achieve great outcomes. We think with philanthropic support, we think with public support, we're going to be able to sustain this work for years to come.
I cannot be more satisfied with anything. Seeing her just being able to run and crawl and jump and roll around with the puppies and all of that makes me feel so great. What do you like about the kitchen?
Sparklies.
Yeah, it's sparkly. I love it. I love everything that they did.